and with extreme pleasure and pride, I welcome all of you to the press meet. First of all, I extend a very warm welcome to Mr. Yuvraj Singh and Mr. Saket Mehta, MD Merlin Group. I would also like to thank all the media houses for joining us this afternoon. Today, we are going to witness a historic moment as the trusted legacy of Merlin Group with the unparalleled sporting legacy of Yuvraj Singh partners together to bring to you Yuvraj Singh Centre of Excellence at Merlin Rise. It's an exciting opportunity for all the cricket enthusiasts and aspiring cricketers as the first YSCE High Performance Centre is opening in Eastern India, which aims to provide world-class training and coaching facilities to aspiring athletes. YSCE aims to transform India into a sporting powerhouse by nurturing talent at the grassroots level and promoting excellence in sport. Today at Merlin Rise, we are going to inaugurate a state-of-the-art YSCE High Performance Centre. This unique association also introduces the Advanced Training Program, which is a high-intensity training module, a pioneering initiative by Yuvraj Singh Centres of Excellence in the country, promising to revolutionize cricket, training and coaching. May I please invite the driving force behind YSCE, the man, the legend and inspiration on and off field. Please put your hands together for Mr. Yuvraj Singh on stage. Come on, everyone. I would also like to invite on stage Mr. Saket Mehta, MD Merlin Group on stage. Let's give him a huge round of applause.
Nice to be back in Kolkata.
जून में हमारा T20 वर्ल्ड कप होने वाला है और हम लोग को बस 2 ही T20 मैच है। क्या आपको नहीं लगता हम लोग को प्रैक्टिस कम मिलेगी?
भाई साहब, उससे पहले IPL होने वाली है, तो कम प्रैक्टिस कैसे हो गई है? You want to do the best for your children, as my parents tried their best for me, and we all do as parents. I think our life changes once we have kids, and our whole world around revolves around them. So definitely want to give the best.
Iconic moment in Indian cricket history. So you're excited for Yuvraj Singh to come here? Yes? Okay, let's do a dry run of when he comes here, how we are going to welcome him. Absolutely right. So this is what we're going to do. I say 3, 2, 1. I want everybody present here to chant UV, alright? 3, 2, 1, start! At the back! It is such a special moment because as Praveen said that he's an exceptional cricketer, but what an amazing thought of giving back to the society where he's going to mentor all these amazing kids where they will have such an amazing exposure in the field of cricket, and not just cricket but entire sports is going to give them an amazing opportunity to learn more about cricket and all the sports. Come on, Merlin Rise, show some love for Yuvraj Singh! So at Merlin Rise, we have decided that we are going to do a small light and sound show to welcome you. Come on, everybody present here, make some noise for Yuvraj Singh. Come on! We are about to witness a historic moment. Today with us as the trusted legacy of Merlin Rise and the unparalleled sporting legacy of Yuvraj Singh is going to come together as we launch the Yuvraj Singh Centres of Excellence High Performance Centre right here, right now. Here with us today, we have the iconic cricket legend Yuvraj Singh, जिन्हें किसी इंट्रोडक्शन की जरूरत नहीं है. He has been inspiration to millions moments of us. We have laughed with him. We have cried with him. We have seen all the victories. It has been a truly amazing experience watching you play on field. And today onwards, the kids, the students of YSCE will have Yuvraj Singh as their mentor, as their inspiration, and this is such an amazing opportunity. Yuvraj Singh, I would like to ask you that how is your connection with Kolkata? And as I've been saying since morning, that this is the first high performance center of YSCE, which is opening in Eastern India. So how do you feel about that?
YSCE Association, our Cricket Academy Association with Merlin Rise, it's been going on for a while now, and we wanted to create something special for the young generation, with our performance center and some specialized programs.
So अगर आप उन्हें कोई मैसेज देना चाहें आज इस मंच पर यहाँ बैठकर, तो वो क्या मैसेज होगा हमारी young cricketers के लिए?
Work hard and be true to your sport, or be true to your work.
सारे बच्चों को सर्कस स्टेप कॉपी करना है, ओके? 1, 2, 3. सारे बच्चे, हाँ, everyone.
That's a good warm up, by the way. That is fantastic, and you're so amazing with all the kids here.